hydrohalogenation through addition is the addition of a hydrogen halide to an alkene or an alkyne to produce a haloalkane. This reaction can only happen on condition that there is no water present. And as an example here, we have prop-1-ene that contains a double bond on the first carbon that reacts with hydrogen fluoride. And when there is no water present, we know that the second bond would break because the second bond is weaker than the first, which leaves each of these carbons willing or looking to form a bond with either hydrogen or fluorine. Now what we can see is that there are two possible products, the one being 2-fluoropropane, where the fluorine has attached to the second carbon, the other being 1-fluoropropane. And so in addition reactions, for cases such as this, we use Markovnikov's rule, which says that the hydrogen will always attach to the carbon that has the most hydrogens. So in this case, we can see that the first carbon already has 2 hydrogens, and as a result, this first carbon would gain another hydrogen, and the fluorine would then be attached to the second carbon. So we say that 2-fluoropropane is the main product, and 1-fluoropropane is a byproduct, but when writing this reaction down, we typically only show it with the main product because that is what is given by Markovnikov's rule.